What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. It's me, Love Nails Nicole, and I thought I would just make this a video since I got to do one daily and I'm behind. This would be, I think, day 17. And I can't think. Oh, okay. So I was looking, let me sit this down. I was looking for some Christmas nail polish. I redid my acrylic, and I did like if you guys can see it, kind of shimmering. This is like a super light pink. You can't even tell it's pink. It looks clear. Acrylic powder with sparkle in it. And I just did it like that because sometimes after I do my acrylic, I do not polish my nails right away. So I wanted it to look like something. So anywho, I was looking for some Christmas nail polish, and you guys, I hit like the jackpot of polish that I totally forgot that I had that would be perfect for Christmas, because I would have probably did Christmas nails every week, which I usually like to do, but I've been so busy that I haven't did any Christmas nails yet except for one set. So I came across this. Now, these I've showed you guys before, all these mini polishes. I won these in an Instagram giveaway that Dainty Digits was throwing. Was it not last, maybe the Christmas before last, maybe a year or two ago, I can't remember. So you guys have seen these because I shared what I won in that giveaway, and I totally forgot I had them. I, of course, never used them all. I also found my Broadway Gel Strong that I got at Dollar General. It's called Up and Down, and this is like a perfect Christmas colors. The red, the green, so pretty. So I'm trying to decide on what I want to use. I did find some like just spare random like Christmas colors, like this Wet n Wild mini in this glittery green color. I pulled out a couple of golds. This is Bonita, and someone sent me this. This is called Golden Girl. Someone sent me this whole Bonita set of glitters as a gift before. This is Wet n Wild Faro Fatale. Pretty gold, like a Christmas color. And I have a bunch of these like toppers by Starlight Polish, Starlight and Sparkles. I found this pretty silver and had another one. What did I do with it? I had a couple silvers. Here's one. This is LA Colors nail polish. This came in a box set. I thought that would be pretty. I found this green. This is an indie polish, but I can't remember the name because they didn't label it, but I've used it before. And this is also by them too, and I thought this would be fun if I tried this one, like a Christmas light. Show. It has a bunch of different color glitters in it. So yeah, I am having a hard time trying to figure out what I want to use. I'm really loving this Crelly with the red and green, and then these two glitters look so fun. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. This is a gold glitter. This is so pretty. And then they all have Christmas names. This is Rock the Bells, Beneath the Mistletoe. What is that one? Pretty Poinsettia, Candy Cane. This one is Ornamental. This is pretty too. I don't know why it's not focusing, y'all. This one is Let's Decorate the Tree, and it has some fringe glitter in it. Some green, some red glitters. It's almost like acrylic too, like a shimmer with glitter in it. This one is Lighting of the Tree, and this is actually almost like a Christmas tree green. Well, y'all can't really tell in the video. It looks more teal, but it's a pretty color. This is Snow Treasure, and this one is My Snow Globe, and they both have, I know it's not focusing, it's probably not going to show, cute little snowflakes in it. This one has snowflakes, some square and round glitters. This one has Let me look closer. Something yellow. I don't know if it's yellow round glitter, but this one has stars, some yellow and some white in it. And then these two are Starlight and Sparkles. I did my nails with these before in Christmas colors. How pretty are these? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god, I just don't know. This one's evergreen and this one is sparkling bows, and I did such a pretty design with that one before. So yeah, I'm trying to decide what to use. Gosh, I wish y'all could help me. So I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna use a couple because I always like to do an accent nail. I'm really leaning towards this one, that one, these two, and this one. So those three, couple of those, and then if I was only to do like a couple glitter nails, I would probably pick like a gold or something to do for a base color. Maybe even go out, do some red or green. I don't know, y'all. It's a hard decision. But I guess when I get them polished and figure out what I'm gonna do, I'll come back and show you guys my look of what I did and what I chose.